it's now about halfway through. Some people like to add, you know, a little bit more flavorings. That's a pandan leaf. If you wanted to make this chai flavored, you could put in some chai spices. Typically coconut milk is a little too fatty for me, so but if you wanted to, we can just do just a little bit just for flavoring.
Lặng nhìn anh chờ mong anh mà anh hững hờ, từng đêm nhớ từng tin nhắn không ai biết được. Em cũng chỉ cần một chút hơi ấm của anh, but that's enough. Your item moves, it's over tonight. Mình đã có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc môi kèm môi qua you and I. Is it real? Oh baby don't say you. Mình đã có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc môi kèm môi qua you and I. Những ký ức khiến ta mệt nhoài đã đến lúc buông bờ vai qua you and I. Please don't say you love me. You love me, 'cause I don't wanna love you. Say you love me. You love me, 'cause I don't wanna hurt me. Hurt me.
Just moving it back and forth like this to get rid of the seams, and just by working it in your hand like this, it gets the rice flour outside, it gets it to be smoother. To get that middle character imprint in, because the first one it wasn't totally clear, but at the same time I don't want to overdo this and have it explode on me. Also, if you saw the first one, I don't love all that overhang on the side, so kind of want to just keep it the shape of the turtle. So you're supposed to hit it actually, but I worry about the mold and my makeshift table a little too much. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of peeling the dough away, and that seems to do the trick. So yeah, I would go ahead and steam this for like 15-20 minutes. That should be okay. So it actually smells like strawberries, which should be as expected, but usually it's not really made with strawberries, so interesting. Kind of like all of the detail. gonna open this because I never eat it on the spot, and then it gets cold and hard because it's like mochi. Okay, this is gonna look kind of bad, so. There you go. Okay, I'm going to taste it. Yeah, actually the outside, I'd say it smells more like strawberry. Actually, no. I am getting strawberry. It's like slightly sour and slightly strawberry-y outside, just because it has been mixed with, you know, the rice flour, so. But you can see when you eat it fresh, it's nice and chewy. The filling is actually quite creamy. It's quite nice, actually. I'm always surprised at how whole foody you can make, you know, a filling and still have it be really creamy. And I think like beans do such a nice job of that. I had to grease the mold because I was worried about it not coming out. But I actually think, maybe I did this last year, but I think next time I'm going to grease it. I'm going to wait a couple hours so that it just gets all absorbed, which is what we were supposed to do. And then I'm just going to dust it with flour because I can kind of feel it a bit, and I hate that feeling. Anyways, I think this is more celebratory, and mainly I wanted to use my mold. So yeah, give these a try. If you don't have a mold, it's okay. You can use like whatever cookie cutter or just like make circles and fill them as well. Yeah, but I could see you doing like a white bean, like a super creamy white bean filling for this, and then that would pair really well with the strawberries on the outside. And then throw in a couple chunks of strawberry as well. Sorry, this is okay. Well, anyways, happy Lunar New Year.